1 Hour Smart Home here, and today we're going to show you how to factory reset your Blink Snyc Module 2. You may need to do this if you're moving locations, you got this secondhand, or maybe you're just setting up cameras and you're having a problem adding additional cameras. In order to factory reset the device, what you're going to do is just unplug the device, and then we're going to turn it around, and on the back of the device there's this little rubber indentation right here. That's the reset button. So what it wants you to do is hold down that reset button for about 5 to 10 seconds while you plug it back in, and then it's going to be ready to set back up. So what I'm going to do is I'm holding down this button right now. You can see that I'm pressing it down, and now I'm going to plug it back in, and we're just going to wait about 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and I'm just going to release. And once you get a green light here and the blue light, it means that this is technically ready to be set back up. So then you would just go into your Blink app, and then we're just going to click on plus symbol. We're going to click on the sync module here, and then we're going to scan this in order to set this back up. So we're going to do that right now. Scan the QR code, and then the next screen will pop up. Here it says choose a system for your sync module. We're going to create a new system. Click continue. We're just going to call this reset. Click continue. Okay, we've got a blinking blue and a steady green, which means this is ready to be set up. So I'm going to click discover device. It wants to join the Wi-Fi network. We're going to click there. We're going to select our Wi-Fi network. Then we enter our password, click join. Connecting to Blink servers. You can see the lights here are changing, which means it's trying to connect. We've got a steady green and blue light, which means that this is most likely connected. Now, sometimes this error will pop up, but actually this thing does connect. It's just a weird problem that this will have sometimes. I don't know why. It's a software issue. We're going to click try again, but what I'm going to show you is that I'm just going to click cancel here and cancel the setup. And what you're going to see is that the device is actually connected. So I just clicked on what we set this up as, which was rest. I meant to put reset in there, but it doesn't matter. You can see that it has a blinking, or it actually has a solid green and blue, which means it's connected. And then you can see the sync module right here. It says the sync module is online. So a lot of times if you get that error, it just is a weird software thing. Hopefully they'll fix that, but you can see it is online. Your sync module is online, and then it's got your firmware version. You can change your Wi-Fi, or you could delete the sync module. So thanks for watching this video on how to reset your Blink sync module. This is the generation 2 or version 2 of the Blink Snyc Module. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.